On today's video, we are going to deep clean our coils on our PTACs. We need to take the PTAC outside to do this. 4 screws, one there, there. Next, we have to unplug it, or if you have it hardwired, just go ahead and disconnect it. Straight out. Okay, we're going to spray this coil cleaner on. We got to let it set for 5 minutes. Be careful not to get anything right here in your blower motor or your electrical right here. We went ahead and wrapped up our CFI plugs. Use very, very light pressure so you don't bend your bend on the coil. Just like that. Before you install them, make sure you let them set out here for an hour to dry. So this one's right here is ready to go back in.
1 hour later.
When you install these units, make sure you don't grab it from here, guys. Stay away from here. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell.